Today we talk about how can you enable recommended content notifications on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. You come to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. You come to next step here, then you click here on push notifications. So then you click here on push notifications here. You click here on go to settings, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, click on notification categories. You come here to recommended content. Just click in this side, like you see this color show for us. That's my recommended content notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.